Hello, this is Jesse program. This video will show you how to repair the dysfunction home button with Jesse home button. Each Jesse home button comes with a shortcut flex cable, which including 4 tiny pieces shortcut flex. As for iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8 and 8 Plus, on this video, we are demonstrating the operations with iPhone 8 Plus, so let's take off the iPhone 8 Plus shortcut flex cable. Thus, there is a small tab on the flex cable. Let's take it off, and you can find the print on the front side of the flex cable. Now, let's put the shortcut flex cable to the logic board. It's beside the LCD flex cable connect on logic board. The holes on the flex cable should be well matched with the screw holes on logic board. To help enforce the shortcut flex cable, we also need to use a phone tab. Remove the tabs and put it on the shortcut flex cable. You can do it just like this. Now let's put the screen back. Front camera flex cables. Oh, guys, don't forget to put all the shutters back. It protects the flex cables, and we are going to mount the Jazz home button to the screen. It's just like what you do with the original home button. Clip the connect. Then it's done. Let's power on and checking if it's a flex cable working well. We still got something to do with the system setting. We call it Bluetooth setting. When you see this interface, pair the JSON hole with your iPhone. Screen should working. Return. Hello Siri. Nice to see you again. And we got 3 other colors to test. The next one is the silver color. We're actually testing each JC home button 3 times before shipping. And all the function testing repeated as you see. Bluetooth, pair, return, screenshot, and call Siri. The next one is golden color. I think more and more people like to have the black and white color iPhone. Few people use the golden, especially the rose golden. What do you think? All the function working perfectly. The last one, black color. Now, you know, just the home button brings the return function back with a Bluetooth solution. It's not about crack or hacking the iOS system. So, the just home button working stable and won't be impacted by the iOS system upgrade. The battery consumption, just like original one, our testing shows that it's less than 1% in 24 hours. That's all. Thanks for watching. Any question you have, please feel easy to ask online or leave us a message.